Ever walk into your bank branch feeling like you've stepped into a time machine? Paperwork piled high, long lines, and a sense that things just move slowly? If you're a small business owner, that feeling can be even more frustrating. You need a bank that works with you, not against you, a bank that understands the fast-paced world of entrepreneurship. Well, what if I told you there's a new kind of banking experience out there? One that ditches the stuffy branches and long waits in favor of a sleek, online platform designed specifically for small businesses? That's the magic of relay banking. But before we dive into the what and why of relay banking, a quick question: where exactly is this new kind of bank located? The answer might surprise you. Because with relay banking, there's no single location. It's not a brick-and-mortar building on a corner street. Relay banking exists entirely online, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This might sound unconventional, but trust me, it's a game changer for busy small business owners like yourself. Now, let's unpack the concept of relay banking a bit further. In essence, it's a financial technology, fintech, company that partners with established banks to provide a modern banking experience for small businesses. They act as the middle ground, offering a user-friendly online platform that integrates seamlessly with traditional banking services. Think of it like this: relay banking is the cool, tech-savvy friend who takes your old-school bank account and gives it a major upgrade. It's all the security and reliability of a traditional bank, combined with the flexibility and convenience of a modern app. So, why should you consider relay banking for your small business? Here are just a few reasons. Effortless management. Gone are the days of chasing down bank statements and manually tracking expenses. Relay banking platforms offer intuitive dashboards that give you a real-time overview of your finances. You can see your cash flow, categorize expenses, and manage invoices, all from one central location. Streamlined operations. Relay banking often integrates with popular accounting and bookkeeping software. This means no more double entry or data transfer headaches. Simply connect your accounts, and your transactions will automatically flow through, saving you valuable time and minimizing errors. Faster payments. Waiting days for a check to clear can cripple a small business. Relay banking often facilitates faster payment processing, allowing you to receive funds quicker and manage your cash flow more efficiently. Simplified approvals. Need a business loan or line of credit? Relay banking platforms can streamline the application process, often providing quicker turnaround times than traditional banks. They understand the unique challenges faced by small businesses and can tailor their offerings accordingly. Enhanced security. Let's face it, security is paramount when it comes to your business finances. Relay banking platforms utilize the latest security protocols and FDIC insurance from their partner banks, ensuring your money is always protected. 24/7 access. The traditional 9 to 5 banking hours just don't cut it for busy entrepreneurs. With relay banking, you have access to your accounts and financial tools anytime, anywhere. Need to check your balance before a late-night purchase? No problem. Want to approve an invoice on the go? You got it. Of course, every business is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. But for many small business owners, relay banking offers a compelling alternative to traditional banking. It's a chance to ditch the outdated and embrace a more efficient, secure, and user-friendly way to manage your finances. So, is relay banking right for you? Well, that depends on your specific needs and preferences. But if you're tired of the limitations of traditional banking and crave a more modern approach, then relay banking is definitely worth exploring. With a plethora of options available, researching different relay banking providers will help you find the perfect fit for your business. Remember, it's all about finding a platform that empowers you to take control of your finances and focus on what matters most, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.